We're about to do what's called a wash party. I don't really wash my car like ever. I kind of wait for it to rain, but we're going to do a wash party with the new Model 3 and my Model 3. And it's very dirty, like very, very dirty. You see all those bugs right there? And then you see all this? This is all cow spit.
Oh, this is cool, but also my car, but this is cool. Okay, here you go. All right.
Yeah, I kind of took this thing basically through a safari. We gotta clean the light bar too. Brought to you by LASFIT. Dirt and bugs brought to you by me. The whole inside is dirty too. Like I said, guys, safari. We really daily drive this thing, like legit, more than anyone. So we gotta get all of this clean. And typically I use DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but using the brand new GoPro Hero 13 Hero Edition, the black one. We're gonna see how this does. It's using the built-in mic on it, not using any external mic, and everything you see is from the standard camera settings. Nothing's been touched. If you think something can be done better, let me know in the comments below and we'll maybe try that out in a future video. Guys, so on the safari, you feed the animals bread. It's like one loaf of bread for $5, and I thought we used all the bread that we bought, but turns out we didn't. There's a whole loaf of bread down here. Let me see if I can get it. I think we're gonna have to go to the back here. Oh, that's tight in there. How the heck am I gonna get? Maybe. It's so tight. Okay, I'm gonna use this little dongle adapter thing. I still can't get it. How the heck are we gonna? Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Dang it. It's so close. More forward. Oh, I think I just heard it crunch. I don't want bread pieces just going all over my car. I think we got it out. I think we broke it. No. No. Does that mean there's totally bread? There's bread everywhere. No. All right, guys. At least I know why my car still smelled like a lot of bread.
Typically, I live in California. I'm actually in Washington right now. I took a full week trip to come up here living out of my Tesla. That's why it's a bit dirty. I didn't just live out of the Tesla. I was hiking, going to beaches, and that's where all the sand's from. So let's dump that out real quick.
So yeah, we just let all those animals abuse my car, but we're going to use the LABYETI Sexy Cleaner and clean my car with Elon's Musky nuts. We're gonna get it nice and woodsy up in there and get it clean. First, we start on the door. We can either spray directly on the towel or you can spray onto the door. If you're worried about electronics, just do right on the towel. If you're worried about your window, just do right on the towel. It's pretty straightforward.
While we clean the car, let's go over a few benefits that the LABYETI Sexy Cleaners offer for Tesla owners. First, the non-toxic formula. It's made from non-toxic, eco-friendly ingredients, ensuring a safe cleaning process for both the car and the environment. You can be around it, breathe it in, and it won't be bad for you. You have versatile use. So this cleaner is designed for seats, right, for leather, but it can be used on multiple surfaces, including dashboards, touchscreens, and upholstery, making it super versatile for your car interiors. And it can be used, of course, on not just Teslas, but any vehicles. You'll see me using it on different surfaces throughout the video. There's no residue, so it doesn't leave a greasy residue, and it doesn't leave a sticky residue when it's done. So it ensures that surfaces stay clean and clear, making it look more OEM. And this is great, especially if you're going to use it on like your touchscreen or your glass. Number one thing is that these Tesla seats are so sensitive. You can stain them super easily. You can have like ripples in the headrest, like there's a bunch of things, right? But it's safe on sensitive materials, so it's not going to get out any crazy stains you have, but it is going to clean your seats and it's going to be delicate with them. And this is great for Tesla vehicles. The easy application is that it comes in a spray bottle, so you can easily, quickly apply it, saving time when you detail your car. So there's a few things to just keep in mind when you go on their website and look at what they have. So as you can see, I've used this on basically every other thing except the seats. I finally have just gotten to the seats.
We're doing the best we can. Thank goodness we at least have the LABYETI to help us get most of these out. I'm hoping to get some of this out. You see that? And this stickiness out right here. But we'll see. Wish me luck.
They have a bunch of different scents for your whole car. So they have Elon's Musky nuts, which I've been told is more of a cedar and leathery scent. They have a dead cow scent. It's not actually smelling like a dead cow, it's a leather scent. It's just playing with words, right? It has a scandalwood scent, which I want to try. Scandalwood sounds very, very posh. And then it also has a fresh linen scent. If you don't want scents, I understand it. I got you. And so does LABYETI, because they have an unscented version as well. If you want to try multiple, you can get 3 at once at a discount. All those options will be in the description below.
Okay, so we got pretty much out everything that I wanted to get out. Just waiting for the seat to dry, but otherwise it looks pretty flippin' good, guys. I really like it. Definitely a big improvement. And this can be used basically on any surface. I haven't had any problems in my Tesla. I basically use it on everything. So it's a nice all-purpose cleaner. And then this is the passenger side also, which looks pretty good. This side also gets beat up quite a bit. And we use it to clean the floor mats as well. And these floor mats were just as dirty as these floor mats. These are nasty. And these look pretty good. The dash looks pretty good, and the door panel looks good as well. So super nice all-purpose cleaner.
Legit all-purpose. Don't sleep on cleaning those floor mats. I mean, this wasn't designed to do it, but as you can see, I'm doing it. And it looks pretty good. You can really use this on legit anything.
Look at that. Not bad. Good job, LASFIT, making some awesome mats. And good job cleaning. I'll have a discount code in the description below if you want some super protective LASFIT mats. And that's pretty much the car clean, guys. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I'm so happy with my LABYETI Sexy Cleaner. Again, they have Elon's Musky nuts, but they have different scents or scentless if you're not into that as well. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know how I did cleaning my car, because I never clean my car, so I probably didn't do the best job, but thanks for joining me in this video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't like it, you can dislike it, but make sure you subscribe to catch more Tesla stuff.